share this memorable and ecstatic experience with you all. I am especially grateful and inspired because we were joined by a group of empowered Filipinas. As you can see, my colleagues here are all women empowered at that. But I still chose to walk my own path and go after something that makes my heart smile: flowers, fashion, arts, and jewelry. Everything you see here, from the unique dried flower arrangement, up to high-quality diamonds and gold jewelries, to luxury watches and branded perfumes, were all carefully and personally chosen. And glorify the Lord for this wonderful blessing. Again, thank you very much. Daghan kaayong salamat kasi taga Davao po ako. Dakal pong salamat kay kayungan. Thank you. Thank you.
We are actually inside this Mi Vida Fleur, and itong section na to, this is where the jewelries, the luxury jewelries are displayed. So ayun guys, if you are looking for Bldg, for diamonds, earrings, necklaces, rings, watches, yan, meron din po sila dito sa section na to. Sample natin. Can you hold it? Ano yan? Shariol? Sino kayang makaka-recognize nito guys? Yes. Shariol.
Para sa inyong mga wife, yan, pwede to. Yes. Panregalo.
Ma'am, how much is this?
Yung yellow po yan, no?
Yes po.
155.
Yes.
155.
And
Idea sa mga price range ng mga jewelry so that
As low as and as high as.
Pinaka-high po is 460,000, which is the ito po. Ito, serpentine yan. Bldg. That is Bldg po. Bldg.
ano pa?
Bldg.
That's Bulgari.
Yes.
Yun yung sikat ba? Yun yung
Yes, yung kay Harvey Evangelista.